Hi, I'm Christina Williams with My Craft Channel, and I have a quick tip to share with you. One thing that I've noticed lately in crafting that I've really loved is the ombre technique. Ombre is just the idea of using gradient color from dark to light. Here on the layout, I've used a dark blue, a medium blue, and then a light blue, just graduated up the side of the layout. Also over here on this quick and easy notepad, you can see 3 different pattern papers that were very simple to punch out and then use to embellish the front of the notepad. One way that you can achieve this on any of your crafting projects is using a Xyron machine. This is just the Teresa Collins X, a lot of people refer to it as. It's easy to put your cardstock right through and apply adhesive to the back of it. And then you can just take a pair of simple pinking shears or any pattern scissor, and it's that easy to create your own rickrack that has adhesive applied to the back, so it's very simple to put this down on your layout. Use this with a couple of, or 2, 3, or more different shades of pattern paper and apply that going up the side of your next project. And there's a quick tip.